First Access Visa Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? This card often shows up in mail offers for people with limited or damaged credit. But is it actually helpful? The First Access Visa Card is a starter credit card designed to help build credit history. It reports to major credit bureaus and allows you to show positive payment behavior. The downside is the fees. There is an annual fee and sometimes setup fees, which reduce your available credit. It can work if you have no other options, but better secured cards usually provide more value. Verdict: leave it unless you have no other choice.